Ladies and gentlemen, it is almost looking like some baby lamb chops. People, people, people. Look at that. What's up, good people? I got myself here a loin and pork roast. Never really seen these before. But hey, here it is. It's 3 pounds. It was only $4.54. I saw it on sale and I said, you know what? Let me just grab it up. And this will just be something to practice to. So it's almost like a baby version of a full loin, bone-in loin roast. So y'all see that, how the bones are so almost like mini pork chops. So this is almost like the lamb chop version of pork. So we got that portion of it, and we got this. So it just looked like it was some off brand cuts of pork that they had in the market that the butcher went through and said, you know what, just throw it out there, weigh it up, and only charge the people this. So we ain't gonna make it that deep. We just gonna go and just throw in some seasonings with it, and we're gonna use this as practice meat. Sometimes you see some meat like this at the market, it's on sale like this. Get it and get it on outside and just practice with it. You might come up with something unique and people will love it. All right, so let's get to, I guess, just taking off some ends on it and going to season it. We ain't gonna even make it that deep. All right, let's go. All right, let's play with it a little bit. Let's just go ahead and get the parts on it that's gonna just make the cook a hassle. So we can go ahead and take that off. Which is this is still gonna be a good piece of meat. I'm just gonna throw it on there by itself and probably make some smoked meat out of it, some greens or something like that. Like I say, we ain't going too deep with it. Now, if I had paid the money for a full one, I'd probably go ahead and French the bones and everything. But we ain't gonna do all that. Good practice meat too. To practice on cutting and everything. It's cheap. But you pay more at Starbucks for that. Perfect your barbecue craft. Some good old meat that everybody's gonna appreciate. So let's go ahead and take that out too. We're gonna use our eyes with seasoning on this one here. So a little bit of kosher salt. Don't forget the sides. Yeah, just like that. Of course, a little pepper, a little freshly ground black pepper. So make it a little herbaceous. So some oregano flakes. So roughly with the salt, if you was to measure it with that kosher salt, that's roughly about a teaspoon and a half. Some onion powder there, a little garlic powder. Put some parsley flakes on here. A little bit of thyme. Throw some rosemary. How about that? Oh yeah, rosemary make it look real pretty. I was playing with some fennel seeds over here. So let's go ahead and do that. Smelling good already. Just making up my own flavors as I go, y'all. A little mustard powder. And what else I got? Oh, I got some brown sugar hiding in the cut. So I got about a tablespoon of that. Pork loves something sweet on it. All right, y'all. That's it. We ain't making it too deep. And we're going to go ahead and let it, sit and kind of do its own little seasoning dry brine overnight. Let's get it wrapped up for the brine. I think we're just gonna go ahead and throw all the meat on here together. Even this little piece of meat right here. All right, I think that's enough there. Cover it. Oh yeah. All right, my peeps. This is going in the refrigerator overnight. I'll see y'all in the morning. All right, people, we ain't made it outside. It's the next day. Roughly 345 degrees we got to run it at. Let's see how this meat looked next day. Yeah, baby. So we'll just go ahead and go bone side down. So this was probably going to come out pretty interesting here. The baby version of lamb chops, but for pork chops. So that looks pretty good. We're rolling with that post oak wood today. It's our wood of choice. We keep it mild. All right, folks, a nice day outside. We're going to go ahead and let it cook up to 138 degrees because we're going to let it do a carryover cook to get it up to 145. So we'll be back in about an hour. Ooh, got a bee out here. All right. Bye-bye. Let's see what we looking like, y'all. Go ahead and give this a flip. Okay. Go ahead and let it do its thing. And we're going to see what we're going to have in about a half an hour. All right, folks. It is time to come off. Man, this thing is looking quite beautiful. Ooh-wee. Man, those ain't bad for $4 and some odd cents. Let's take it in and see what it tastes like. Oh snap, I forgot to show y'all my sides. Ooh-wee. Gonna be garlic smashed potatoes when I get finished with them. Smoked garlic smashed potatoes. Ladies and gentlemen, it is almost looking like some baby lamb chops. People. Look at that. Man, I am impressed. Let's see what it tastes like, folks. Unbelievably tender and juicy. You can almost compete with lamb chops. This better watch out for the restaurants. They're gonna mess around and raise the prices on these. Man. I'm gonna let y'all see how it looked with it plated up. Man. You know I can't make this up. You see how it's coming off the bone. All right, let me let y'all see it plated. And that's the meal plated up, y'all. I'm about to get my eat on. Y'all saw the price on these, and it looked like $1 million. Y'all see how it was done. Only had it on the smoker for an hour. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all later. Peace. Man, baby. I'm buying them all the time.
Okay.